Upgrading to energy-efficient doors in your Crestview home is one of the smartest investments you can make. As energy costs continue to rise and homeowners are becoming more conscious of their environmental impact, replacing old, inefficient doors with energy-efficient options is an easy and cost-effective way to improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and comfort. Here's a breakdown of the many benefits of upgrading to energy-efficient doors in Crestview and how they can enhance your home. Lower energy bills. The most immediate and significant benefit of upgrading to energy-efficient doors is the potential to lower your energy bills. Older doors, especially those that are poorly insulated or have worn out seals, can allow air to escape or enter your home, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This results in higher energy consumption and increased utility costs. Energy-efficient doors are designed with advanced insulation materials, tight seals, and features like double or triple glazing to prevent heat transfer. In Crestview, where summers can be hot and humid and winters are mild but cool, upgrading to energy-efficient doors helps keep your home's indoor temperature regulated. This means your air conditioning or heating system doesn't need to work as hard, leading to noticeable savings on your energy bills. Enhanced comfort. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors can significantly improve the comfort of your home. Traditional doors can have gaps or poorly fitted seals that allow drafts to enter during colder months or let cool air escape in the summer, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Energy-efficient doors, on the other hand, are designed to eliminate drafts and prevent temperature fluctuations. By improving insulation and reducing heat transfer, these doors help keep your home comfortable year-round. Whether it's the heat of summer or the cool of winter, energy-efficient doors provide a more consistent and enjoyable living environment for you and your family. Better insulation and noise reduction. Along with temperature regulation, energy-efficient doors can also improve sound insulation. The materials used in energy-efficient doors, such as insulated cores or multi-layered glass, help block external noise from entering your home. This is especially beneficial if you live in a busy neighborhood or near a highway in Crestview. Energy-efficient doors can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Whether you're working from home, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying some quiet time, reducing outside noise will contribute to a more comfortable and stress-free space. Increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors can also increase the value of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. In Crestview, where homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to improve their properties, energy-efficient features like new doors can be a major selling point. Energy-efficient doors are seen as an upgrade that enhances both the aesthetic appeal and practicality of a home. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes that have energy-efficient features because they know these upgrades will help lower energy bills and improve comfort. If you ever decide to sell your Crestview home, investing in energy-efficient doors can provide a strong return on investment by increasing your home's resale value. Eco-friendly choice. In today's environmentally conscious world, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is also a great way to reduce your carbon footprint. Older, inefficient doors contribute to higher energy consumption, which in turn increases greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. By installing energy-efficient doors, you're taking a proactive step toward reducing your home's energy usage and overall environmental impact. Energy-efficient doors are typically made with eco-friendly materials, and their improved insulation helps reduce the need for excessive heating or cooling. Whether you're passionate about sustainability or simply want to reduce your environmental footprint, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is an effective and responsible choice. Improved security and safety. In addition to energy efficiency, many modern energy-efficient doors also come with enhanced security features. These doors are often made from stronger materials and are equipped with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass to provide superior protection for your home. Whether you're installing an exterior door or patio doors, choosing energy-efficient options means investing in security as well as energy savings. Energy-efficient doors can also increase your home's fire resistance, as many of these doors are built with fire-rated materials that provide extra protection in case of an emergency. This combination of energy efficiency and security makes upgrading your doors a wise decision for both your safety and your peace of mind. Low maintenance and durability. Energy-efficient doors are designed to be low maintenance and durable, making them a practical long-term investment for your Crestview home. Materials like fiberglass, steel, and insulated wood are resistant to weather damage, wear and tear, and fading, ensuring that your doors remain in good condition for years to come. Unlike traditional doors, which may require regular painting, resealing, or repairs, energy-efficient doors are built to withstand the elements with minimal upkeep. This durability makes them a great investment that can provide lasting benefits and save you money on maintenance and repairs. Improved aesthetics. Lastly, upgrading to energy-efficient doors can also enhance the overall look of your home. Today's energy-efficient doors come in a wide variety of styles, colors, and finishes, allowing you to choose options that complement your home's architecture and aesthetic. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a more traditional design, you can find energy-efficient doors that suit your style. A new, stylish door can be a focal point of your home's exterior, boosting curb appeal and making a lasting first impression on visitors and potential buyers. Plus, many energy-efficient doors come with decorative features like glass inserts, side lights, and custom hardware, allowing you to personalize your door to match your taste. Conclusion. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors in Crestview is an investment that pays off in many ways. From lowering your energy bills and increasing comfort to enhancing your home's security, value, and curb appeal, the benefits are clear. Whether you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, reduce your carbon footprint, or simply upgrade the look of your home, energy-efficient doors are a smart choice that can provide lasting benefits for you and your family.